lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your.
Hey beauties, welcome back to another video on my channel. So these are the nail sets that I'll be doing in today's video. If you want to see how I did them, please continue watching. So the acrylic that I'll be using is Nude Peach from Glamour Nails, and I'll be applying it to each of these nails.
But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna.
So my editing style has changed somewhat. I've been watching a few videos on how to, give my videos a little bit of sprucing. So I found a new love for SMRs. I hope you guys like it because I actually do. If this is your very first time here at my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. If you're not ready to subscribe, there's always another time to do so. Also follow me on my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at Wear Beauty Services.
Can we feel, yeah? But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah.
So these are the nails after. Now I'm going in with the filing portion. So these are the nails after I was through with the filing. Now I'm going in with my gel top coat, adding a thin layer to each of the nails. So the reason why I'm going in with my gel top coat is because I want the colors that I'll be using later on to marble well. I did a nail set recently and I had to scrap it because I did not go in with gel top coat. So the colors were a little bit harder to marble. So yeah, so always going with a gel top coat if you're doing, a solid color. If you're going in with a gel polish, I do recommend that you cure the first layer, and on the second layer you don't cure, you just add the colors that you want, so the colors will marry very well. So now I'm going in with the various colors on top of the uncured gel top coat, applying it very thick. So I'm going in with the green, so it's various greens that I'll be using for today's nail set, with a dash of pink. So I'll go in and apply. I will try to insert the colors, the color numbers that I'm using in today's video. So I'm using the various greens and yellows on the nails, just applying them very closely. That's one thing that you need to remember, to apply the colors closely because we want them to blend very well. Now I'm taking a darker green to add a bit more characteristics to the nail, and I apply it all over. Wherever you want to add the colors, you add it. Now I'm going in with pink, adding it very closely to each of the colors, applying it very thick. And after doing that, I will then take my straw and blow the nails. This part was so satisfying. The color started to blend. It's so pretty. So I actually saw this on TikTok. I must shout out the person who gave me this idea or inspired me to do these nails. So it was so gorgeous, so satisfying seeing the me blowing on the nails, and the colors are just moving about. So gorgeous. So while blowing these nails, I became lightheaded, so I want you guys to be aware of what you're getting yourself into. Take breaks as you guys go along, a nail at a time. Now I'm going in with some gel top coat on the middle and the ring finger because I will be adding some Swarovski to each of these nails. After adding the Swarovskis, I will then cure for 30 seconds, and then I will go in and apply the top coat to the rest of the nail, cure that for 60 seconds, all the cuticles, massage the area, and then I'll show you guys the final product. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on all my social, that's Instagram and TikTok at Bear Beauty Services, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.
Feeling so